But it's time for a product design video, and this could be a great Valentine Day's gift, but first, two warnings. First, usually only boys think that CD printed object is so romantic gift. In most cases, girls don't share this opinion, so use it at your own risk. Second warning, any correlation with the real life is coincidence as out of your dirty imagination. All the time I will talk only about CD printed objects. The imagination is that we have this marble made from two parts, one for boy and the other for the girl, and I hope it's obvious which is for who. Great gift if they are separated, for example studying different towns or similar. And this toy can be played only when they are together. Just step two parts together and take 6mm ball from the storage hole and play. Nothing special about CD printing, filament can be changed after 3mm to have lines in different color. And there are three very satisfying moments. First is the removing object from the bed, then removing of the supports, and snapping parts together. If pins don't go easily into hole, you know what to do. No, not lubricant, but use some file tool on the pins. If you have a problem with the separating, use a screwdriver between two parts. Now with this solution, the ball is stored in the boy's part, and sometimes the boy wants to play alone and can't wait for the girl. But in that case, he can use the third element, which also steps into first part, and the game is ready. Now, when my wife saw this, her first impression was that this is too small. Again, I'm talking only about CD printed objects. If so, you can scale up this object. For example, for 4mm bar, you can scale it up to 133%, for 6mm bar to 200% and similar. On Printables.com I will upload not only STL but also the source files in Fusion 360 if somebody wants to play with these objects. Okay, a little bit different video, but I hope you are not too disappointed. But from time to time I need this kind of videos too, because this is my tech fun. Anyway, I hope you will follow me to my next video too, and happy printing!